CIET-NCERT द्वारा प्रस्तुत है पाठ्यचर्या पर आधारित श्रृंखला ध्वनिशाला। तो आइए चलते हैं कक्षा 1 की ध्वनिशाला में।
Hello children, my name is Neeraj and with me is Kulvinder and today we are going to talk about numbers.
Hi, I'm Kulvinder. Oh, what's that sound? It says chuk, 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 chuk. Listen.
The name of the train is Good Morning Train. This Good Morning Train has come to say hello to you all. Good Morning Train has come to say hello.
Hello.
Good Morning Train has come to say hello. Hello. Good Morning Train has come. Good Morning Train has come. Good Morning Train has come to say hello.
Choo,
Choo. Now, hello to the babies who eat one almond daily.
Who eats almonds? Badam. Yes, we should eat almonds if they are available at home. The almonds make our brain strong, very strong.
Now, good morning to the babies who eat 2 almonds daily.
Good morning to the babies who eat 3 almonds a day.
Now, good morning to the babies who eat 4 almonds a day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 almonds.
Namaste to the babies who eat 5 or more almonds a day.
Yay! Let's clap for all the lovely children listening to us carefully.
Let's clap.
Children, let's clap together. Yes, did you enjoy?
Yes, I like clapping for others and also for myself.
Great. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, clap. You know, Kulvinder, I know a magic clap.
A magic clap?
Magic clap.
What does this clap do?
This clap brings rain.
What? Rain? No way.
Yes, dear Kulvinder. Tell me, do you like rain?
Yes, I love the sound of raindrops. Tup, tup, tup.
Okay, tell me, what if the rain gets heavier?
Starts falling faster. Tup, 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 tup.
And when it gets more heavier?
Tup, 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 tup.
Yes. So, this magic clap is known as rain clap.
Rain clap?
So now, I am going to tell you how you can create the sound of rain with your hands.
Oh, you mean the sound of rain, not actual rain.
Yes, that's the trick. Now, do as I ask you to do.
Yes, I am ready. So are you kids?
Yes, I think they are also ready. Now, open your left palm.
Left palm.
And keep it in front of yourself.
So kids, open your left palm and keep it in front of yourself.
Now, take out your index finger. Your index finger.
Index finger of the right hand?
Yes, you are right. Index finger of the right hand.
Okay.
And you have to
Keep your finger straight. So, I have opened my left palm and index finger of right hand.
good. Now, clap using left palm and index finger of right hand like this. You will hear this sound.
Let's start, kids. On our left palm, we'll tap with our index finger of the right hand and we hear the sound.
Yes. After this, take out 2 fingers of your right hand.
Two fingers of our right hand.
You can use index finger along with middle finger.
Okay. 2 fingers, the index finger and the middle finger, the finger right next to the index finger.
Yes. And now clap these fingers on your left hand palm. Clap, clap, clap. Yes, like this. So first we opened only one finger, index finger. Then now we are using our 2 fingers, index finger and middle finger.
And the sound has increased.
Yes, you are a good observer. Listen carefully. Yes, now the next step. Take 3 fingers, index, middle and ring finger. 3 fingers and clap using left palm.
Okay, kids. Now we'll clap with 3 fingers. Index finger, middle finger and the ring finger. The finger right next to the middle finger. We'll clap with these 3 fingers on the left palm. Let's start.
Yes. Now take 4 fingers. Index, middle, ring and little finger. And clap on your left palm.
Okay. First with 1 finger, next with 2 fingers, another one with 3 fingers, and now with 4 fingers. The little finger also along. Now we'll clap with 4 fingers on our left palm.
Yes. So, you can hear the sound is getting heavier. So, last step of this rain clap is to use all of your fingers, 5 fingers.
Oh, both the hands.
Yes. Let's try clapping. Yes. So I think now you have got how to do it, right?
Oh, it sounds like the rain has started and then it is started falling heavier and more heavier and heavier and heavy rain.
Yes. But does the rain gets heavier and stays like this only?
No, it stops after some time.
And does it stop suddenly?
No, it stops slowly and slowly.
Yes. Like the way it was getting heavier, it would get lighter towards the end.
Oh, yes.
So likewise, we have to reverse this process.
Okay. How will we do that?
So we will start with 5 fingers and then 4 fingers and then 3 fingers, then 2 and 1. After that, the rain will stop.
No, I just want to do it and see it.
Okay, let's try. So what we have to do is we have to start with our 1 finger, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. After 5 finger clap, we have to again do a 4 finger clap, a 3 finger clap, a 2 finger clap and 1 finger clap.
Okay, it means rain starts falling heavier and then it starts getting lighter and then it finally stops.
Yes. So let's do it with our hands.
Yes,
Are you ready?
yes, I am ready. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, I think they are ever ready. So let's begin with 1 finger clap and we would not stop. We would keep on clapping using our 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, but please tell us when we have to change our finger. 1 from 2 from 3.
Okay, I'll instruct in between.
Yes.
Let's start on my count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2 fingers, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, finally the rain has stopped. It was so much fun.
Yes, now once again we'll do this rain clap but without my instructions.
Yes, I would love to do that. It was so much fun.
So let's bring the rain. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. Oof,
Oh, we enjoyed so much.
So Kulvinder, would you like to share your experience? How did it feel?
Oh, the increasing and decreasing number of fingers gives us a feeling of raindrops. It feels like the rain is light in the beginning and later the heavy rainfall is observed, which again gets light towards the end and finally stops.
Yes. So this was rain clap. Hope you all enjoyed the game of rain claps. You can play this game with your parents and siblings or your friends.
Oh, Neeraj, now after this rain clap, my hands are so excited that they want to do something more.
Okay, let me think. Yes, I know a magic posture.
Magic posture?
Yes, magic posture.
Tell us about that.
For that, you need both of your hands.
Kids, are you listening?
So now, take out both of your hands.
So, kids, take out both of your hands in front of you.
And your palms should be facing your face. Yes. Now try to join your thumbs. Your left thumb with your right thumb. Try to join them by touching them.
How will I join my thumb? If I join my thumb, then my palms face down.
No, your palms should be facing each other.
Oh, we should keep our palms facing each other and we should join our thumbs.
Yes, your left thumb with your right thumb.
Left thumb has joined the right thumb.
Very nice. Now, second step is you have to join the tips of your index fingers. Your left index finger with your right index finger.
The finger next to our thumb, our index finger. We have already joined our thumbs, and now we'll join the index fingers of both the hands. They are making a shape of a leaf.
Yes. So Kulvinder, now tell me, how many fingers you have joined together?
2 thumbs and 2 fingers.
Yes. 2 thumbs, 1 left thumb and 1 right thumb. That makes 2 thumbs and 2 index fingers. Right?
Yes.
Now, next step is you have to join the tips of your middle fingers together.
Oh, it is getting difficult.
But you have to try.
Oh, yes, I can do it easily.
Yes, you can join the complete fingers.
Yes, now I am joining the full fingers. The full index finger is touching the another index finger, and the full middle finger is touching the another middle finger.
Right. So now tell me, Kulvinder, how many pairs of fingers are there touching each other?
Now I have joined 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs of fingers touching each other.
Right. So now join your ring fingers.
These fingers will be attached together.
Yes.
And now we'll join our ring fingers also together.
Now, how many fingers of both hands are left?
2 fingers of both the hands are left.
Can you name them?
Both the little fingers.
Yes. So join them too.
Join them.
Yes. Now tell me, what do you get?
My palms are joined with each other.
Yes, it is like some kind of glue is there in between both the hands.
Yeah, it seems that they have been pasted with the glue.
Yes. Now suppose, what will happen if this glue is put between your fingers too?
Just now, they are looking like a star to me. But if I put the glue between the fingers, then my fingers are joined.
Yes, all of your fingers will be joined together
Yes.
and there will be no space left among them.
Yes, and it seems like when I say namaste to my uncle when he comes to my home.
Yes, this is the magic.
Oh, yes.
So, this is the magic posture.
Magic posture?
Yes,
But why is this the magic posture?
because whenever we make this posture and we greet someone, we automatically get a smile from the other person.
Oh, yes. When I say namaste to the uncle like this, he smiles to me and say namaste beta.
Yes, Kulvinder, you are right. So now kids, tell me, how many fingers have you used to make this magic posture of namaste?
I think, Neeraj, they have used 5 fingers of their left hand and 5 fingers of their right hand joined together to make this magic posture of namaste.
Can you count your fingers one by one?
Yes, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now with the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good, Kulvinder. Now you count in continuity with the fingers of both of your hands.
Okay, let's start, kids. 5 fingers from one hand and then we have to continue the counting. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Yes. So we have counted up to 10.
Yes, we have 10 fingers in both the hands.
Yes. Together they are 10.
Yes, together we have 10 fingers.
Okay, Kulvinder. So now, after doing magic clap and matching the fingers, we would move on to our next exercise. That is also matching exercise.
Oh, what will we match now?
For this, you need your mathematics textbooks. Please open page number 21 of your Maths Magic textbook
Of class 1?
of class 1. This you would find in unit 2. If you do not have a mathematics textbook, no problem. We can together match the objects in column A and column B. So, you would see that on this page, there are some pictures. In column A, some cats are there, and in column B, some rats are there. Cats and rats.
Yes, I can see. First serial number, there are some cats and rats, and then there are rabbits, carrots, then shirts and trousers, erasers and pencils, and shoes and socks.
Yes. Now, as we just did with matching our fingers, we have to match these pictures.
Oh, that means we have to match one cat with one rat.
Yes, you are right.
Then another cat with another rat.
Yes.
Till all of them had been matched together.
Yes. When each of the cats get one rat, we will keep on matching them.
But how will we match them? The cat is printed on column A and the rat is printed on column B.
So with the help of a crayon, a color or a pencil, we would draw some lines. The line would start from cat in column 1 to the rat in column 2.
Oh, so we need something to draw a line.
Yes.
So kids, immediately go and get something, some pencil, some color, and we'll draw a line to match a cat with the rat.
Yes. So here in this textbook, I am drawing lines from cat 1 in column A to rat 1 in column B. So I am drawing it and my cat 1 has rat 1.
I'm also doing it. Now I'll do it with the second cat. I'll draw a line from cat 2 to rat 2.
Yes. Oh, I have cat 3 in column A. She also needs a rat. So let me match this cat with rat number 3 in column B.
And now it's the turn of cat 4. Fourth cat has been matched with the fourth rat.
Yes. Likewise, you can see on number 2, there are some rabbits. Rabbits like to eat?
Rabbit likes to eat carrots.
Yes. And in column B, there are carrots.
Yes.
So now, Our rabbit 1 would get a carrot. Match the rabbit with its carrot.
One rabbit, one carrot.
Another rabbit, another carrot.
Third rabbit, third carrot.
Yes. Now, next is shirts and pants. You have to match each shirt with each pant. One shirt with one pant.
Yes, shirt goes with trousers.
Yes. In the next row, you would see there are some erasers. You have to match each eraser with each pencil. One eraser with one pencil.
Second eraser with second pencil.
And likewise, you would do the shoes and socks matching. Each shoe should get one socks.
Yes, it is so very much interesting.
Yes, you can do it later also. Let's do a rhyme.
Yeah, rhyme time.
Yes. Now children, let's sing a number song. Are you all ready? I think they are ready. So, sing with me. I will sing a line and you may repeat after me.
Yes, kids.
So let's try. 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
One little baby eating a bun.
One little baby eating a bun.
So kids, now when I say 1, 1, 1, you have to take out one finger
One finger when we'll say one.
and two fingers when we say 2.
Yes, we have got. When we'll say one, we'll take out one finger. And when we'll say two, we'll take out two fingers.
Yes, let's start.
Yes, we are ready.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
One little baby eating a bun.
One little baby eating a bun.
2, 2, 2.
2, 2, 2.
Two little children go to the zoo.
Two little children go to the zoo.
Zoo is a place where animals are kept.
Yes, I have been to zoo with my family.
Yes, 3, 3, 3.
With three fingers out. 3, 3, 3.
3 green parrots flying free.
3 green parrots flying free.
4, 4, 4.
4, 4, 4.
4 hungry puppies want to eat more.
4 hungry puppies want to eat more.
5, 5, 5.
5, 5, 5.
5 honeybees are going to the hive.
5 honeybees are going to the hive.
6, 6, 6.
6, 6, 6.
6 tiny nails Sony has to fix.
6 tiny nails Sony has to fix.
So for 6, we have used 5 fingers of our one hand and 1 finger of our other hand. Right?
Yes.
Now 7. 7, 7, 7.
7, 7, 7.
7 little dwarfs are going to the heaven.
7 little dwarfs are going to the heaven.
8, 8, 8.
8, 8, 8.
8 fat rats chase a cat.
8 fat rats chase a cat.
9, 9, 9.
9, 9, 9.
9 red ants walk in a line.
9 red ants walk in a line.
Yes, so this was the rhyme.
Yes,
So, this was all about numbers 1 to 9. So, children, don't forget to count your fingers of your hands or toes of your feet.
bye-bye.
So friends, you were just listening to the series Dhwani Shala. Production assistants Meenakshi Kukreti, Tanu Gupta and Jagbandhu Jana. Recorded by Batti Lang Lingdo. Produced by Ajit Horo. This series was brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.